I couldn't walk much. It was like if I walk 10 minutes, I was in pain. If I walked more than 10 minutes, I was in terrorizing pain. I couldn't even go to the supermarket or any place that I had to walk. I had to go in a wheelchair. So I have 3 grandsons. I was missing their childhood and the things that they wanted to do with me. If they wanted to go bicycling in the neighborhood, I could not go walking with them because I couldn't. So it was horrible. Till the night before, I was thinking on canceling the surgery. That was how terrified I was. And I was so wrong. The experience has been spectacular, awesome for me. Measures that Dr. Desai took for my pain medication, they were excellent. And here I found angels. All of the therapists, they are angels. They helped me so much. This is my 3rd week after the surgery. I have been blessed coming here, and I thank everyone in Jewett for all they have done for me.